Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin in your Kartra account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Kartra account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an admin, what you're going to do is click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Team Members. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the team members that you have assigned to your Kartra account. You can see it's just me and someone else. Now, in order to remove or delete that admin, what you're going to do is to the right, you're going to see this X. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning confirming that you're about to delete that person as an admin from your Kartra account. If you're okay with that, click on the red delete button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person or team member has been removed from my Kartra account, so they will no longer be able to log into my Kartra dashboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.